This lesson is going to show you how to share your project in the Easel CNC software. So once I'm done with the project and I want to share it with somebody, in this case I'm going to share it with my instructor. So first thing I'm going to do is make sure I have the correct name. So for hour, I'm going to change it to 1. Oops. We'll assume I'm in first hour. Of course, it'd be 2 for second, 3 for third, and so on. Underscore my last name, underscore first project. So there's that. So I'm going to go to File, and I'm going to go to Share. And there's two options. I'm going to say Share with a link, so anyone with this link can open my project in Easel. I'm going to click on this, and I can hit Control-C, or I can right-click and say Copy. So again, that's Control-C or right-click Copy. I'm going to click Save. And then I'm going to go over to Schoology, where I'm going to paste that link in to my assignment and then submit that to my instructor. So it's as easy as that. That's how you get your shared link.